Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how to use voice commands on your phone. So I am not saying like how to enable Google Assistant or something like that, but what are the commands you can give to voice assistant so that it will be very useful in your day-to-day life. So let us check what are the few voice commands so that you can give your phone to respond. So first of all, I'll say like Hey Google followed by the action. Call Sudhir. Hey Google, make a phone call to Sudhir. See, this is the first command that you can make calls through voice commands, and the next one is you can text someone, means text messages. Hey Google, Sudhir that I'm attending meeting at 5 p.m.
I'm attending meeting at 5 p.m. Ready to send it?
Yes, please send it. See here the messages without even touching my phone, just with the voice command I have sent. Or hey Google, set an alarm for 11:15 a.m. today. See, the alarm has been set. See here at the top. See here. Yeah, where is this? See, this is the alarm which is already set. Next, hey Google, play some music. Hey Google, play some Telugu melody songs. Yeah. See, if you observe, even without touching my phone, just with the voice commands, you can ask your phone to do few things. How to enable this? Just you need to go to your phone settings and in the search bar, just search as voice assistant or voice commands. So once you search this, you will find an option called, see here, Hey Google and voice match. You need to enable this option if it is enabled. So when you enable this option, okay, it is recording. Okay, when you enable this option, see here, this will be disabled primarily on your mobile. You need to enable this option. This will take your voice first, then when you say okay Google, then you can give the commands as I shown in the earlier way. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others so that it may be useful to others too. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.